Hi everyone, this is my second Influenster video. The first one I talked a lot about how to make an account, so this one I won't be talking as much about it, just showing you the products. After uploading the first video, I got another VoxBox really fast, maybe like a few weeks after. So if you're trying to get another box ASAP, I think you should upload a video because that really helped. And I don't think it was much of a theme. It was more like a just for you. Probably like just for you because you uploaded a video. Please take our products and rate more items. This is the box opened for the first time, so everything's like organized as you would receive it. First item I got is this Pantene Rescue Shot box. So all you have to do is take a shower, then you put some on your hand and then just apply it onto your hair. Let it stay on there for like a few minutes and just rinse it off. And it also came with a Target coupon, $3 off. Then we'll check how much it's worth on Target. What I love about the Target app is that you could just scan any item that you have and then it'll tell you how much they sell it for. So the coupon that we had received was $3 and this is $5 at Target. So essentially you'll just be paying $2 if you use a coupon. And then if we scan this product that we got, we can see how much it was worth, and it's worth $2, so that's cool. This is worth $5, and then you'll just be paying $2, so you'll be paying for one. Really, I think that's really fucking great. For the second item, I got an African black soap bar, so it's for your face and for your body. This is the second time I've received this. It's a really good product. It has a very unique smell. If you've never smelled African black soap, it's pretty cool. And obviously, I don't think I have to say this since I'm a nobody on YouTube, but this is not a Target sponsored video. But if Target does watch this, I mean, look how fucking cool I'm making these videos with your app. Okay, so the African black soap bar is worth $4 at Target, so that's really cool. I also got this Burt's Bees toothpaste. This is a very expensive and good quality brand, so that's pretty dope. And oh wow, it has a $1 off coupon on the back. Excludes travel size, but that's cool. And then I got this coupon for Triscuit. Oh shit, oh, you get a free 5-ounce cluster bag. Oh, that's cool. So it's a free coupon, not like 5% off or whatever. And I got pancake mix, so I guess I'm gonna be making pancakes. It's called Krusties. Hopefully it doesn't taste crusty, but they look good. But that's how, you know, ads are, but we'll see. And then from the Triscuit coupon that I got, they gave me a pop socket. So I'm gonna have like little fucking, like a little cookie pop socket. And that's, oh wow, and that's it. That was a very fast video. So I'm assuming that this VoxBox they gave me was mostly because I had posted my first video. But that's pretty fucking good to get all these items just for posting a video. I think that is great. So thank you for watching. I definitely recommend making an Influenster, and make sure what they're looking for is your influence on Influencer. Try to get as many subscribers as you can on YouTube. Try to get as many followers on any platform. Connect them all to your Influencer, and then you can get boxes like this. I'm not going to talk about how to make an influencer because I talked about that on my last video, so I recommend going back to that video. I'll pin the comment in below on what time to start watching on that video to see where, like, to see where you should start watching it, to see where you can make your influencer. Thank you.